everyone, my name is Benzo. I'm the co-founder and CEO of BYBIT. Welcome to another exciting BYBIT product launch and product review session. It has been a crazy ride since the last time we talked, and during this past 7 months, we've had a bull run, we've had the all-time high of Bitcoin. Many things has happened. So there are a lot of product to be showcasing today, as well as key features we updated. Looking at the title, from traders to all crypto lovers, one of the key themes throughout today's presentation is that BYBIT has upgraded this strategy. We want to change our self-positioning in the industry from purely trader-focused to now facing all crypto lovers and all crypto users. And that's why you will see some very exciting products that's coming out, not so related to trading, but for overall crypto users in general. So without further ado, let's get it going. BYBIT people believe in is listen, care, and improve. We want to always listen to our community, listen to our users, listen to all of your feedbacks. So all of these key features and products is really purely based on all the feedbacks we got. So we want to make sure that we always present the product with care, retail focused, customer support focused, so that you can feel that sincerity coming from the whole team. Lastly is always improving on our core product and services. So I hope we can show that to you throughout this whole session. Of course, as with all the BYBIT events, there is bonus to earn and to be won throughout this whole process. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the bonus drop during the session. Okay, so the first part, I'll go over what has happened within the past 6 months. There had been a lot of key features updates and product releases. So I'll briefly go over all of them, and especially the key one. Before I go in, some of the numbers. BYBIT had experienced phenomenal growth. All thanks to the support of our community, we've grown 2.5 times from 1 million overall users to now 2.5 global trading clients with BYBIT from all over the world, more than 200 countries. Majority of these clients trading currently on our flagship products, the perpetual contract. In Q1 this year, we've had surpassing $1 trillion in total overall trading volume, which is very significant. On top of that, we've also achieved all-time high in terms of daily trading volume, breaking record of $76 billion within 24 hours. In terms of BTC, we achieved more than 4.9 billion in open interest worldwide. So this was the highest at that point in the world for BTC open interest. We launched the expiration contract. A lot of clients choose to use and trade the expiration contract simply because it has no funding fees. And this new product actually was able to gain so much attraction that it broke 40 billion daily trading volume. On top of the BTC product, on our Ethereum products, thanks to the global increased interest on Ethereum, our Ethereum global volume had reached more than 20 billion a day. So why do traders choose BYBIT? I think one of the most important things they choose for is liquidity. As we see here, BYBIT has always had the best liquidity and the tightest spread. So during any market volatility, you'll be able to get the best quote and best execution in the market. On top of delivering products and services, BYBIT also has grown into a more important player in the whole industry. And we were awarded by different entities and organizations for our product and services. So these are a few awards we won during this first half of the year. As you all know, we are a proud international sponsor of the Borussia Dortmund Football Club. They've had an amazing season and winning a spot in the UEFA Champions League. Congrats to them from all of the BYBIT team. On top of delivering products and services, we are also partnered up with the Atlantic Angels in the US to support children, youth, and families in the foster care community. Giving back has always been a theme carried out through in BYBIT. So we're actually also going to be working with Giving Block to build a donate button in the BYBIT trading platforms for our clients to also participate and give back. So now we are moving to the exciting part of today's presentation. We're going to discuss what has been released, what are the key features, and what we achieved for the past 6 or 7 months. BYBIT, within the past 6 months, had proven itself again to be one of the most stable and usable platform out there. So within this whole bull run, we've had no server downtime or any order overload. All of the traders or clients on BYBIT was able to trade throughout this whole process, not a single second shutdown of server. However, we've had our challenges. A lot of our clients was experiencing front-end lags, especially during my last presentation. So the developers and all of the people in BYBIT got together and we changed the underlying infrastructure of how our front-end has been built. And the result was quite phenomenal. We were able to bring down the whole response time from 600 milliseconds to now 350 milliseconds. On top of it, in order to reduce the load, our memory usage has now been 20% down. So even you are running on a later or older version of the laptop, you're able to trade smoothly. The app startup speed is 70% better than before. What does it mean? It means that from the moment you load our page to fully load, it's now 70% faster than before. Overall resource usage, CPU, memory, all of that is 20% down. And especially when price is moving and you see all the update is happening, you really see the result of this improvement. So we have been very proud that this had happened. On top of the performance improvement, we've actually added many new pairs, if you noticed, onto our linear and also inverse contract. If you see on the screen, we've added all these new pairs now available to trade on BYBIT. On top of the new pairs, clients is also able to trade the expiration futures. This has been launched over the past few months. And now you have the choice between Bitcoin and also Ethereum expiration contract. The volume had picked up, and a lot of our clients now are kind of trading in between perpetual and expirations. One of the main attractions of expiration futures is that it has no funding fees, as well as shares the same funding pools and shares the same margin with the perpetual contract. So it's a very attractive product. If you haven't traded, check it out. On the screen is our newly designed mobile app application. More than 60% of our current users are trading on the BYBIT mobile app. It's getting increasingly popular. Actually, one of the cool features that a lot of clients uses is the strategy alert within the mobile app. What the strategy alert does, it really lets you know when is the best moment to trade. You can set certain criteria, such as when the price is moving to a certain range, or when the funding fee is becoming positive or negative, or other cool features built into the strategy alert. More than 60% of the mobile users on BYBIT are using the strategy alert. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Our mobile app has all the full functions of the desktop version, so you get everything you get on the desktop within your hand. It's really cool, and I think this trend is just gonna happen more and more as more people are moving on to mobile trading. For our desktop users, we also brought in something very special for you all. Many traders have been requesting this feature what we call multi-chart. So if you see on the screen now, there are 4 different charts. So you can set either 4 or 2 or 3. What it does is you can really see different time frames of the same pair or different pairs, and you can contrast. So now you're able to monitor all the market at the same time and not missing a single movement of the market, and really be on the watch out to your favorite pairs that you want to trade. Next one, again, is a cool feature that our traders had requested, is the split display on the order book. So by now, you can click on the top buttons, and to readjust, realign the bid and ask. You can see only the bid and only the ask, or see it side by side. So it's a really fast way to show and to get to you what you needed. Another thing, with the increasing cost of Ethereum transactions, our clients have been requesting us to introduce a cheaper way for them to deposit and withdraw. So on top of the USDT, we just launched TRC20 deposit and withdraw about a month ago. So now it's fully support ERC20 deposit and withdraw. If you haven't checked it out, do check it out. It's a much better way to save costs. As many people know, BYBIT is a global platform. We serve more than 200 countries and clients from all over the world speaking different languages. So our local market team have been quite busy bringing you more and more language support. Now, BYBIT supports Spanish, Turkish, Brazilian Portuguese, French, Bahasa Indonesia, and Thai. Typically, when there's language updates, we also add local language support on our 24-hour support. So do check that out as well. So what's coming? I've mentioned quite a bit about what had been released, but what's coming for this next 6 months? What's to be expected, and what are some of the exciting things you can expect? Number one thing is, of course, the long-awaited WSOT. BYBIT was the first to introduce to the world a global event on competition. As our last WSOT, we've had more than 12,000 participants from all over the world, professional traders, YouTubers, Twitter people, and there was quite a scene at the time where everyone participated and demonstrated their trading skills. So for this year, we are making it bigger, better, and even more exciting. This is going to be launched in August of this year, and I think the prize and overall participation is going to go reach another level. So make sure you check that out. We'll see you there. Our new goal of serving not only crypto traders, but also all the crypto lovers. With that in mind, we introduce you our new logo and our main theme, our main UI for the whole BYBIT products. Sharper edges position the brand as more modern and sleek. It's also dynamic. The lifting eye symbolizing a candlestick graph represents the constant movement within the crypto space. Lastly is bold, shifting away from small caps, rounded letters in the logo to capitalized letters. The BYBIT brand is refreshed with a bolder and fresher look. I hope you guys like this new logo. I personally love this new one. Of course, with the new logo comes with the new UI and new homepage design. I'll now show you a little glimpse of it. You can see now it's much cleaner, much more crisp, dynamic. You can see that on the color usage, we still keep the original orange as the BYBIT main theme color, but on top, we made it much more dynamic. And of course, you still have all the little key cards that are telling you the key activities and the market trends. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the media features, partners, and also more footnotes. So be on the lookout for that. We're gonna launch it very soon. Now with the general strategy of pivoting to focus more on overall crypto users. The first product we pushed out just a few months ago was the BYBIT Suite or the BYBIT Center. This BYBIT Center focuses on delivering everyday crypto users a simplified DeFi product. So it's very easy. Within one click, you'll be able to participate in DeFi or even mining. The first product we offer is cloud mining. It looks complicated, but it's actually not. It's really a very easy way for any users to participate in mining Ethereum with flexible terms, long-term, short-term, 1 week, 3 months, and fixed yield. It's very hassle-free. So we actually launched the product a while ago, and it was sold out instantly. If you look at them, currently we have many different days in selections. With display now, it's all 7 days. But in the future, soon we'll offer longer period selections, as well as different yield. So if you haven't seen this, check it out. We'll also be able to offer much more products than just Ethereum. I think this is a product that got a lot of clients very interested, very excited. On top of the BYBIT Center, of course, BYBIT is launching our spot trading. This has been a long-asked product or feature. If you are your futures trader, you probably need a spot to support your strategies by either doing hedging or simply spot tradings. This is going to be launched in July, which is happening very soon, with the initial products of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and US in place, and the rest will follow very fast. Along with the spot market open up, we'll also be able to list different pairs and new pairs very fast. Now it takes us a few weeks really to launch a new or add in a new pair, but we're hoping soon within the hours we'll be able to add in to a new pair for our traders to trade. So we have the spot, we have the futures. What else is missing? I think for any traders, you probably need one more product to really complete all of your portfolio tradings. That is option. So we are building our option currently, and we are prepared to launch it in second half year, maybe towards end of the year. And it will be a full option product with both European and American options. So you will be able to combine the best liquidities of the perpetual contract, of the spot, with the option. That kind of makes BYBIT ecosystem overall as a whole complete all of your trading needs. So if you're a trader, by end of the year, BYBIT will offer whatever you need. And so there's no reason for you to go anywhere else, but stay at BYBIT and trade and take advantage of the volatility in the markets. With that being said, more details of the spot market, of the option market, will be released closer to their launching dates. So make sure you stay tuned. With the spot and option being added onto the current futures, there's one key feature that every other client is requesting. That is our current withdrawal period. Currently, BYBIT supports 3 withdrawals directly through our cold wallet. So what's upcoming will fix it. With the spot and option already added onto BYBIT, there's one crucial piece of puzzle that needs to be upgraded as well. A lot of clients have been asking this. That is our withdrawal time window. So we are launching the Wallet 2.0. A very major update to our current withdrawal and wallet system that will enable withdrawal at any time, 10 minutes. So after the Wallet 2.0 is launched, which will be launched around the same time as our spot, client will be able to withdraw and deposit at instant, and no more waiting period and no more 3 times a day. So that's a huge upgrade to all of our products. Stay tuned to that as well. So guys, this wraps up the twice a year product update from me. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, especially with all these new products and features coming up. May 2021 be the year of crypto, and let's get this started. Thank you for watching this event. I'll see you all next time.